again is just basically seeking clarification on the laying worker
Yes.
eggs, where you said there's 2 and 4 eggs in each cell. Did I understand you to say you may as well just take that frame out and get rid of it, or are you going to have a mess?
If you've allowed the laying worker to lay for weeks, you're going to have to get rid of that comb because you have 2 larvae that are distending because they're growing, and it becomes very abnormal, and that cell is normally a typical size of 4.2 to 4.8 millimeters, and now it's become 6 or 7, and no queen will lay in that.